All right. Hey guys, welcome to Tellor Dev Call. End of July, not quite August yet. Yeah, hope everybody is doing great. A lot of stuff going on. Obviously, the big news this week is there was a big Vyper bug. So condolences to Charles. Runs that basically. Yeah, no, I mean we know the guy who runs Vyper and he's super cool and it sucks, but I'm sure some of the teams will recover, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it's not too bad, but stay safe out there, guys. Be careful of new things is a lesson here. It's always tough. Stuff's all super new. So um anyway, working on a couple articles. And then I think at the end of this week also starts EthGlobal Hack, one of them. So I'm going to be kind of mentoring there. Hopefully, maybe I'll build something too. This one last year I won a prize. So I'm like, it's a bear market. You got to make some extra cash here and there. So anyway, yeah, how are you guys doing? Tim, how's things?
Good. So I'm fixing the article on the data specs registry.
Okay.
Yeah, had one version. Nick had some good feedback for me to switch it around.
Yeah.
And then so then hopefully that can go well with our launch of the data specs registry.
Yeah, you think you'll be done with that kind of today or tomorrow, and then
Yeah, I think so.
let me know, and then Mike and I will review, and then we can probably push that out. So yeah, be good.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, no, and then I guess on to Ryan. Ryan, is the front end for that up yet?
It's not up yet. There was one last thing I was trying to tinker with in terms of having already existing data specs pop up on the site. But I don't think it needs to hold up if we want to launch. I don't know if you have.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to push, let's just get it launched, and then especially now it's just the testnet version, get it up on a URL, and then we can all go play around with it for a little bit.
Okay.
And then you can tweak with that. But anything else, Ryan?
That should take up for most of the day today.
Cool. Nice. Did you go to that festival or is that next week?
That's this week.
It's this week. Okay. So cool.
Crypto in the Woods.
What festival is it in case anyone else is going?
Yeah, it's FWB Fest. It's in Idlewild, California.
Where is that?
It's like an hour inland from like San Diego, 2 hours inland from LA.
Okay. South. Nice.
Yeah, SoCal.
SoCal.
That's
Oh.
put on by the token gated social group.
Yeah. But it's open to the public.
Nice.
There's a members only day though on Thursday.
Did you buy a membership?
Yeah, I've been a member for like 3 years.
Oh, really?
2 years, yeah.
Yes. Super early.
He's got that air about him.
Member. Owen, how's things?
Things are great. Today I need to review some test updates from Frank from Parity, and then also work on an integration test in Rust, as well as do some research.
Cool.
That's it.
Did they launch their private testnet yet?
No word on that.
Oh,
But
all
I
right.
will-
Who's listening? We're
I
trying to.
think today he said he's going to be learning their updated way of launching the private testnet. So I don't think it will be launched today.
Okay. We're the guinea pigs for
On the
that.
call last week. What?
We're the guinea pigs.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. I mean, for those listening, we're doing that with parity. So we have a system that like we slightly tweaked Tellor to go over to parity. And right now we're launching kind of like V2 on the private testnet, relaunching the private testnet over there, and then hopefully that'll be a few weeks. Then launch public testnet on one of the public testnets, and then we'll be live. That's fingers crossed. So it's going well. Akrem, that's things.
Good. I'm gonna work. I guess there's maybe tinker a little bit or go over some issues on tele feeds. Still have to merge my PR, so probably do that after running all the tests, make sure everything passes. And I guess research after that.
Nice. Cadena stuff's all buttoned up.
I believe so, but I was also actually that you bring it up. I want to add some more tests on the binary search, but I think everything is buttoned up. They're notified. I'm just waiting, I guess, for a response.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the auditors know for those listening.
Yeah. The auditors.
Anyway, Spuddy.
Spuddy is, I mean, at the end of last week, we added some price feeds. We're working on supporting like a lot of new potential integrations right now.
None of them were using Vyper, were they?
I know.
I mean, or no, there was somebody who was gonna use us. They were thinking about using us, and we rewrote Tellor and Vyper for them.
They're mostly projects doing.
Well, maybe we can reach out, see if they need a quick Solidity implementation.
I think it's older. I mean, just a few versions. I think the newer ones, right? Yeah,
Should be good, but
it should be good. Since
yeah, should be good.
we'll give people ideas then.
Right. Anyway.
Yeah. At the end of last week, I finally got done typing up the use like the super easy to follow disputable values monitor guide. It's all ready to publish. I'm just kind of gonna polish it up.
Oh, did you see? Were you gonna post that stuff for all TrueCoin? I put you in that group.
Well, he needed ETHUSD and then
On Gorley.
yeah,
So
we're doing that.
okay,
It's there.
you started pushing again.
I just turned up the frequency a little bit, so now
Okay.
it's every hour,
Okay.
so it'll always be fresh. When it failed on him that one time, it might have been because it was too old, because
Yeah.
I was only submitting it like once a day or something. Because Gorley used to be super expensive. I don't know if anybody knows this, but Gorley is no longer expensive because everybody stopped using it.
Supply and demand.
So now it's kind of like back to usable again.
Nice.
Yeah. So we needed to get a Trueflation feed
I am.
going.
See what you can do.
I'll see what I can do.
Nice. All right, Mike. Anything?
Nothing new other than I don't know. Business as usual. We've been testing Diva Pools at the end of last week as well. You didn't mention we are nearly there, but we're going to share some about that with the community. Diva, as you guys know, have been a long-term integration of ours. We're like
Love you, Vlad.
they're like family at this point. But it's cool that you can make derivative protocols permissionlessly on Polygon and other networks, and we're going to start making some fun ones, and hopefully we can get the community to participate as well.
Yeah, it's not like these derivatives that you can make with Diva protocol are like super customizable, which means that we actually had to do some thinking to figure out how to do it, to like set it up the way that makes sense, and then we can communicate it to everybody and it'll be fun.
It's a great test of using Tellor for like really arbitrary and super custom events, if you will.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
fun stuff.
All right. Well, that's about it. Don't think we have any questions this week. Thank you all for watching.